Welcome to Doggo.jl, your home for wholesome Julia tutorials. In order to download VS Code onto your computer, start by going to the website code.visualstudio.com. Visual Studio Code is the official name for this app, but everyone calls it VS Code. The website should auto-detect your operating system. Click on the button to download the VS Code installer for your operating system. You can save the installer file anywhere, but by default it will probably be saved in your Downloads folder. I saved my installer file onto my desktop, so you can see it on my screen. Double-click on this installer file and follow the instructions. This is optional, but here, I'm checking the box to create a desktop icon. This is also optional, but here, I'm unchecking the box to launch Visual Studio Code. After the installation is complete, you should see a shortcut icon with a VS Code logo on your desktop. If you see this shortcut icon, then congratulations! You have just installed VS Code onto your computer. In the next chapter, you'll learn how to use Julia in VS Code.